Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this mini tutorial over my shoulder using the LSP Golden Overlays with the LSP Golden Overlay Applicator Pack in Photoshop. If you haven't already, please do watch tutorial number 1 where I show you how to get the actions loaded in on coloured button mode, your layers up, what everything does. These are just quick examples, so let's dive in to another image. So beautiful shot here by Anna Brandt. Absolutely gorgeous maternity, and we're going to add a glowing ring to this image. Now these work, the darker the background the better for these. The lighter your background, the lighter the overlay will look. So I'm going to hit dark background painter first, and this is going to play out. This will only really work on Photoshop Creative Cloud. It's because it uses things like Photoshop subject selection, so if you're in Elements or something like that, this one won't work. You will need to darken the background manually. I'm just going to turn that up a bit. We don't want to lose the depth of the background. We don't want it to be, like this, completely black. We just want it to be nice and dark. At this stage, you can zoom in. You see a layer mask is created with the subject in black because black means hide. You can grab a brush in white and fill in any areas that it's missed, or take away any areas, in black that you want to keep light. So just have a little go over. Masking is an important thing to know in Photoshop, how to mask, so that's going to be really useful for you. Next up, I'm going to hit choose golden overlay with layers because I want all the layers created. You do have the simple option underneath if you just want to add it in and do your own masking. Next up, you're going to want to choose the ring overlay. Which one shall we go for this image? How about delicate ring? So I'm just going to resize this in. You can, rotate these round if you wanted to. So I'm just rotating that round just a little bit, because I want the brightest part of the ring to represent where the light is coming in the image. And hit enter, and the rest of the action is going to play out and just set those layers up. The subject selection it's chosen is really, really good. I don't need to edit that at all. Remember, this is for Photoshop Creative Cloud. I might add a little bit on the glow paint, so you just click on the blank mask with a white brush. Ooh. Make sure your brush is nice and soft with a nice low flow. And you can see we're just adding a little bit of glow around on that one. Really, really pretty. Paint a shadow is nice. So if you right click on your nice soft round brush, squeeze it in. This is a shadow painting hack that I like to use. Shadows are very rarely round. Use the square bracket keys or right click on the size to make it bigger or smaller. And hit a white brush because white means show, black means hide. Let's just paint this shadow on a little bit. You see now we have a shadow on our subject coming off, which is going to add even more contrast to our image. Just turning the glow down a bit. You can slide the opacity on any of these. And I love that. No shadow, I might take the opacity down because that is a little dark. Just a bit. Close the group and we're done. I'm going to play Mini Pop Finisher just because it puts a really nice finish over our image. And you can go ahead and save a copy of that for your gallery. So I hope you love these. Lots more little tutorials on these, so you can flick through the tutorials. They're all nice and short, so you can see lots of inspiration about how to use these in your galleries. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.